Hi, honey. I'm home.
Yeah, of course. One moment. Hello.
Hi, you have a package.
Please leave the package at the door.
This is G-Case. It's a new category of Switch accessory. We call it the ultimate gaming case. On the one hand, it's a modular charging case. The replaceable battery will keep your Switch always charged. On the other, it's a grip case. You will appreciate the feel it brings you. It comes with 3 sizes of grip, so you can always find the one that fits your palm. Unlike other cases, it is engineered with a low-latency Bluetooth module. Allows you to seamlessly connect 2 wireless headphones. Immerse yourself in the game with music. When you are in tabletop mode, the Joy-Con cases can slide to be a Pro controller. The foldable kickstand will give you a perfect gaming view.
Just how fast can a resin 3D printer be? Introducing Rocket One, the world's first top-down DCLF 3D printer with lightning-fast printing speed and ultra-high accuracy. At up to 380 millimeters per hour, its printing speed is 20 to 60 times faster than traditional resin printers. Rather than waiting for hours, you can now get your project done in minutes. Rocket One has not only world's fastest printing speed.
Dr. Med, the world's first medical-grade blood pressure smartwatch. Successfully passed the FDA and CE medical standard tests, it is the ultimate choice for personal BP monitoring and family healthcare. As a daily wearable, BP Dr. Med constantly monitors your body's status and provides comprehensive insights into your health. Smartly stylish with 2 color options to match all occasions and outfits, put it on and take your wrist doctor everywhere you go.
What if you had a smart, high-tech gadget friend? A friend that could brighten up your day. And a friend that could play with your friends. Introducing QQ, an LED magician cube with augmented reality, snake, and lots of cool features. Shake it to pair it with your smartphone, and you're ready to go. You can now feed the hungry snake in a new, refreshing 3-dimensional reality and run away from a vicious red light on your way to work or in your free time.
There's a hidden danger in homes today. Airborne pollutants, mold spores, bacteria, pollen, and pet dander accumulate to create indoor pollution often 5 times worse than your outdoor air. Air filters clean circulated air and help keep your family safe from harmful contaminants. Unfortunately, nobody knows when their filter stops working. Or worse, they forget to change it. FlowSmart connects to your home Wi-Fi and easily attaches to your clean air filter. FlowSmart immediately goes to work, taking daily readings of your airflow. As your filter fills up with pollutants, FlowSmart measures the change in airflow and lets you know when your filter needs to be changed before it's too late. You'll receive an air quality alert, whether you're at home or away, and you'll know it's the right time to replace your filter. Just hit the Buy Now button and have your filter delivered to your home. Worry about the things in life you can see.
Welcome to the new era of home automation and a digitally connected life. Now, can you imagine yourself winding down windows in an old car? What about your home windows? Meet Smart Slider, a next-generation home automation solution for sliding doors and windows. Slim, sleek, and easy to install. Built with innovation, simplicity, and technology in mind, it allows your windows and doors to follow your voice commands.
Open sesame.
Here at Lychee Things, our mission is to give everyone access to a luxurious smart home.